How to fix login error in Discovery Plus. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Type down on a control center and turn on your Wi-Fi to connect to your Wi-Fi. And by doing so, after being connected, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet connection. However, if you're still facing any other kinds of problem with the login, you want to simply navigate yourself to the application. Scroll down until you see the Discovery application and tap and hold onto the app and click on App Info and tap on the Clear Cache button you can see at the bottom of your screen. This will clear cache, and if you tap on clear storage, you can delete your files with the application. Next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's still any other problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below.